Are you ready to take control of your life and become the best version of yourself? In a world filled with distractions and excuses, it's time to focus on improving yourself physically and financially. As billionaire Warren Buffett once said, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Start by hitting the gym and building your body like Arnold Schwarzenegger, who famously said, "The mind is the limit." As long as the mind can envision the fact that you can do something, you can do it. Work on your physical strength and discipline. Then focus on your financial success. Take advice from successful entrepreneurs like Mark Cuban, who emphasized the importance of hard work and dedication. Remember, as bodybuilder Ronnie Coleman said, everybody wants to be a bodybuilder, but nobody wants to lift no heavy-ass weights. It's time to put in the work and see the results. Improve yourself physically and financially, and watch as your life transforms for the better.